Hi guys, welcome back. In this video we're going to cover the unfold and fold feature. So the main use for this feature is if, for example, you have a part here, you have some bends in it, but you want to put a cut that goes through the bend. The easiest way to do that is to unfold the part so it's flat and then extrude those cuts through the bends and then fold it back up. So I'm going to show you how to do that. It's actually really simple. Over here in the sheet metal toolbar, first of all, this part right here was created using the base flange feature, as you can see over here in my feature manager. So just one feature I used to create that, and now we're going to go in there and I want to add some cuts that go through these bends. So let's go over to our sheet metal toolbar on the left here, and this little icon right there, that's your unfold. So we're going to go ahead and click that. Select a face. So this is basically the face that's going to remain stationary as everything else folds flat. And then the easiest thing to do is if you want to go ahead and just flatten everything out, you can always do that. If you just want to flatten out a particular bend, then you can do that too. You can start going through and selecting your bends. So for example, if I deleted all these real quick, if I only wanted to flatten out certain bends, I could just go in there and start clicking on those bends. And then it's just going to flatten out those particular bends. But for this video, we're going to go ahead and do them all. All right, so there we go. Now, I just want to put a cut that goes through these bends, or maybe a few cuts. So I'm going to go ahead and click on a face here, and we're going to open up a sketch. Okay, Control 8 to look directly at our sketch here, and we can just start sketching. So let's say I want to put a slot, going right through this bend right here. Maybe that's a drain hole or something for this pan or whatever it might be. And we can do another one over here. We can even have cuts that go. Let's do this. Let's create a cut that goes through two bends. Okay, and maybe even we'll do a cut that goes through all the bends. And then we'll just do a cut extrude. That's this icon right here. As far as all the details over here, we'll just select link to thickness. So it'll always just remain related to the thickness of the sheet metal part. And we'll say OK. There we go. There's our cuts. And now we can go back over here to the fold feature. Okay, we can leave that fixed face the same, no reason to change that. And then we can say collect all bends again, and then accept that. And there you go. So there you have it. That's the easiest way to create cuts that go through the bend. All right, thanks for watching the video.